Lulu's making herself at home in the new vet's office. We're trying a different vet today. They're very nice, weren't they, kiddo? Yes, they're very nice, very thorough. Yeah. Alright, you gonna make a mess here for him? You silly girl. You silly girl, Lulu. Okay? You getting your feathers all preened and cleaned and everything here? Now, why couldn't you do that before we got here? Huh? Then you don't make a mess. You silly Willy. Oh, Lulu. Oh, Lulu. I can do with you. Alright, what are you getting all pretty for? Kiddo? How long is it going to take you? Keep going and going and going. How do you know where you've been? How do you know which feathers you've already, whatever you're doing, how do you know when you've done what you've done? Good Lord, lady, you tear out all your feathers. It's all right, girl. Good Lord. Looks like you got spikes on your back. Good girl, Lulu. Are you done yet? Good girl. You're so silly. I love you. Ah, new noises, huh? Okay. Okay, feel better? Are you done yet? Good girl. Alright, you can explore? Okay. Oh, you can scratch some more. You can explore. Good girl. You can go ahead. Yeah, good girl, Lulu. I don't think there's any treats on the floor. Alright, good girl, honey. Good girl, Lulu. Lulu. You gonna shake your tail feathers? You gonna shake your tail feathers for me? Huh, kiddo? Are you looking for a nest box? Do you need to lay an egg? Good girl. She's not sure. Never been on a floor like this, have you, kiddo? No. It's all new, huh? You're itchy today. Okay? You alright, kiddo? What you think? What do you think, baby girl? Huh? Okay, you want up? Want back up? You don't know? Okay, good girl.